Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the ear tips on the Airpods Pro 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you buy AirPods, they come with 4 sizes of ear tips. The size that is on the AirPods by default is medium. The spare ear tips are at the bottom of the box that the AirPods came in. Open the box and take everything out and you will find this little case with the spare tips at the bottom. Open the case and you will see that there are 3 sizes to change to. You have extra small, small and large. Choose the size that you would like to change to and pull the tips off the cardboard. Now just pull the tips off the AirPods like this. To attach the tips, you need to make sure that it is lined up properly, as the tips are oval, not circular. When lined up correctly, push the tip onto the AirPod until it clicks. Make sure that there is no black line visible. If there is, then push again to fully connect it. Give the tip a gentle tug to make sure that it is correctly attached. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple AirPod tips and tricks.